Join us as we dive fork first into the new Bib Gourmand picks in the Michelin Guide Kuala Lumpur and Penang 2025, featuring hidden gems, local legends, and iconic dishes. First up, Kuala Lumpur, a city with a culinary scene bursting with chaotic symphony and where every meal is a feast with a story. Fong Lian has been dishing out charcoal-cooked claypot rice since '86, with a seasoned hand balancing heat to create a perfect smoky crust. Go for the preserved meats, maybe a hit of chicken leg and salted fish, and let the flavors do the talking. Having opened in 1949, Sin Kyu Yi Shin Ki serves beef noodle bowls that punch above their weight. Whichever noodle you choose, you're in for a bowl where tender beef tripe and springy meatballs dance in aromatic broth. Don't skip the homemade chili. Now, let's head over to Penang, Malaysia's unapologetic food capital where bold flavors and cultures clash. Laksalicious, with its quirky signage, is a bright spot where laksa reigns supreme. Choose between the spicy asam laksa or the rich laksa lemak, each with a crunch from prawn crackers. For over 40 years, Lam Lai has been serving teow soup just right. Duck, pork, fish cake, all swimming in an umami-packed broth. Silky duck, a bit of fried garlic, and shallots equal pure aromatic bliss. Since 1920, this stall has been making apom, crispy crepes with a soft, airy center, all cooked in clay pots over charcoal. Fluffier and more coconutty than the rest, they sell out fast, so get there before 9:30 a.m. Have you tried any of these spots? Which ones are calling out your name? Tell us in the comments below.